कोलकाता में ज्यादातर स्कूलों में बांग्ला में
Schools in Kolkata are usually Bengali medium and there are few Hindi medium schools.
जिनमें हिंदी माध्यम में पढ़ाया जाता है.
There is a sizable Hindi-speaking population in Howrah, but no Hindi medium school in the vicinity.
आसपास एक भी हिंदी भाषी स्कूल नहीं.
Children from far-flung areas come to our school out of necessity.
आना एक मजबूरी बन गया है.
We have been running 4 classes out of this small space, and in the last 40 years, no government body has taken notice of our situation. There have been no repairs. The toilets also remain dirty.
ठीक से बना नहीं है स्कूल, टाली का स्कूल है. जब बारिश पड़ता है तो पानी चूरने लगता है.
This school is so small that even teachers find less space to sit. The children also find it difficult to concentrate since there are no divisions between classes. With the help of parents and teachers, we pooled in money and separated the room into 4 parts with plywood. Even the roof was repaired by us.
स्कूल की इस बदहाल हालत को सुधारने के लिए मैंने अलग-अलग विभागों में पत्र लिखा, लेकिन किसी ने हमारे पत्र का उत्तर नहीं दिया. इस संबंध में आज हम हावड़ा म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के मेयर से मिलने के लिए जा रहे हैं. देखते हैं वे क्या कहते हैं.
ये तो आपका स्कूल का मैटर है ना, तो इस मामले में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आप डीआई के पास जाइए, डीआई से आप लोग रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए.
यहाँ की मेयर ने मुझे
The mayor told us to go to the DPSC chairman. But when I went to his office, I was refused an entry or an appointment.
अब मैं एजुकेशन विभाग में बराबर जाऊं और राइटर्स में जाऊं या फिर इनसे रिक्वेस्ट करके स्कूल के लिए जगह प्राप्त करूं. इनसे प्रार्थना करता हूं कि मेरे विद्यालय के लिए ये कम से कम 3-4 कट्ठा जगह देंगे. मैं IBN 7 के लिए अवधेश कुमार राय, सिटीजन जर्नलिस्ट.
You too can be CJ. Just send pictures and videos of things that bother you and share them with us at ibnlive.com/CJ. Here are the pictures and videos you've sent us this week.
CJ Ajit S. Negi sent us this video of waterlogging in ITO in New Delhi. He says showers are testing the authorities' preparation for the Commonwealth Games. These pictures of passengers stuck due to a snag on the Thane-Vashi train have been sent to us by CJ Ashish Bobre. CJ Naushad sent us this picture of a leaking water tap from the capital. Now, isn't that a common sight?
Editor's Response is the space where you can question, criticize or applaud the channel for its coverage. CNN IBN's editor-in-chief Rashdeep Sardesai is answering this week's question.
I admit Orissa is a poor state, but has a rich cultural heritage. This year's Rath Yatra was given a miss by a channel, quite like how the state is given a miss by the politicians at the centre. How can you miss such a mega event?
Sankal, thanks very much for your question. I can see where you're coming from. Every state wants its cultural heritage projected as aggressively and extensively on news channels as possible. And as an Oriya, I can see that you have great pride in your culture and you want the Jagannath Rath Yatra to be projected on TV. Let me assure you that we don't make any discrimination when it comes to Ganesh Chaturthi or a boat race in Kerala or the Jagannath Rath Yatra. All these are parts of the tradition of different states and we want to show the cultural traditions of this great country in all its diversity. If it didn't make a headline that day, it was possibly because there were other stories too which were competing for news space. But I do know that on prime time, the fact that there was a stampede during the Jagannath Rath Yatra did become a headline. Sometimes, as you know, it's the events that go around a festival like this that often make the news.
Do send in your feedback at